Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Microsoft project tasks with dependencies and lags, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Microsoft project. Create a new project or open an existing one. Locate the task list on the left side of the screen. Select the task you want to add a dependency to. Right-click on the selected task. Choose Link Tasks from the context menu. This action creates a Finish to Start dependency by default. If you need a different type of dependency, click on the Task tab in the ribbon. Then, click on Information to open the Task Information dialog. Navigate to the Predecessors tab in the dialog box. Here, you can add details about dependencies. To add a new dependency, click the Add button. Select the predecessor task from the drop-down list. Choose the type of dependency from the Type column. The options include Finish to Start, Start to Start, Finish to Finish, and Start to Finish. Next, you can add a lag time if necessary. Enter the lag time in the lag column. Remember to specify the unit, such as days or weeks. Click OK to save your changes. You will now see the updated dependency reflected in your Gantt chart. Repeat these steps for any additional tasks you want to create dependencies for. Review the task timeline to ensure everything aligns as expected. Your tasks are now successfully updated with dependencies and lags. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.